with us, aren't you, Joni?
Ellie!
We'll play this!
Let's go. Yes, sir. Shit. Freeze!
Don't shoot!
Where's the animal? It's up there somewhere.
What's it supposed to be?
I don't know. Stay alert, guys.
What the hell is it anyway?
Oh, it's a werewolf. Did you say werewolf? Yeah.
She may have changed back to her human form. Her name's Joni. She's this hyper skinny publicist.
Any other description?
Yeah, she's what, just like 5'7".
She's got a bony ass and fat thighs and bad skin.
Fire!